Morning students. Let's go for the next problem. Similar kind of problem we already did. I'll read out the question. The following information has been obtained from the records of manufacturing company. See that two dates are given 1 or 31st December. So 1 year information is given. See that stock of raw material opening and closing is given. So opening stock of raw material and closing stock of raw material. So opening stock should be taken as an adding item. Closing stock should be deducted. Stock of finished goods. So stock of finished goods will be adjusted from the cost of production. Here also opening of finished goods will be added. Closing will be deducted from the cost of production. Stock of work in progress. Stock of work in progress will be adjusted after adding the factory overheads. From the prime cost, we have to add factory overheads. After that, we have to add opening of work in progress less closing of work in progress. See the other informations. Labor, indirect labor, it will be factory overheads. Indirect labor is a factory overheads. Lubricant, oil also will be used in the factory. Insurance plant also will be used in the factory. Purchase of raw material, it will be taken to prime cost. Sales commission, selling and distribution. Salaries of salesmen, selling and distribution. Administrative expenses, it will comes under administration. Carriage outward is the sales, selling and distribution. Carriage inward will be taken to prime cost to the material. Direct outward will be taken to selling and distribution. Again power, factory. Direct labor taken to prime cost. It is a direct wages. Depreciation on machinery, factory. Factory rent, factory. Property tax of building, factory, and sales is given. Okay. Here they ask you to calculate material consumed, prime cost, then work cost, cost of production, goods, cost of goods sold, cost of sales, and profit. So if they not ask it individually also, if they ask you to prepare cost sheet also, we will calculate in the statement all this answer we will get. Okay, here they ask it individually. That's the only the difference. But we will prepare the same cost sheet only. Okay, let's go for the preparation of cost sheet. The cost sheet, particulars with 2 on one column. Per unit is not there, units produced is not given. First we'll take opening stock of raw material. RM means raw material. So opening raw material is given 40,000. Take it in the inner column. Add purchases 4 lakh less closing stock of raw material. Closing is given 50,000 minus value. I'll write it within the bracket so that the difference is 3,90,000. For that we have to write it as material consumed. Material consumed. Next, direct labor given 3 lakh. No direct expenses given. So if you want to write direct expenses nil, take this total 6,90,000 is the prime cost. 6,90,000 is the prime cost. With the prime cost, we have to add factory overheads. So which are the factory overheads given? That we have to add first. Indirect labor indirect labor 50,000, lubricant 10,000, insurance of plant 3,000, power 30,000, depreciation on factory plant 50,000, factory rent 60,000, property tax on factory building 11,000, factory overheads total we had 2,14,000, taken to outer column. On this add stock of work in progress 10,000 less stock of work in progress minus 14,000. Take the difference, you'll get 6,90,000 plus 2,14,000 plus 10,000 minus 14,000. If you do, you'll get 9 lakh. 9 lakh is the work cost. 9 lakh is the work cost. With the work cost, we have to add administrative expenses. Here administrative expenses only one amount given, so we can take directly 1 lakh to the outer column. Add, we will get 10 lakh. That is the cost of production. With the cost of production, we have to adjust, add opening stock of finished goods 1 lakh less closing stock of finished goods minus 1,50,000. Take the difference, 9,50,000 is the cost of goods sold. With the cost of goods sold, we have to add selling and distribution. Now add selling and distribution. So we have to see that which are the selling and distribution expenses are given. Salesman commission 60,000, salesman salary of salesman 1 lakh, carriage outward 20,000, carriage outward, okay, that's all. Take the total 1,80,000. We had 1,80,000, you'll get 11,30,000. That is the cost of sales or total cost. Profit should be added, but no profit information is given, but sales information is given in the problem. Sales is given 12 lakh. Sales is given 12 lakhs. 12 lakh minus 11 lakh 30,000, you will get 70,000 as the profit. 70,000 is the profit. So opening stock of raw material should be adjusted with the direct material and closing should be deducted there itself. Work in progress, after adding the factory overheads with the prime cost, we have to add opening work in progress less closing work in progress. After that you will get work cost. After that we have to add administrative overheads, you will get cost of production. With the cost of production only we have to adjust closing finished goods, that is opening finished goods and closing finished goods. Opening should be added, closing should be deducted, you will get cost of goods sold. Then selling and distribution, all the selling and distribution overhead should be added, then you will get the total cost. With that profit should be added, but profit information not given, but sales is given 12 lakh. So 12 lakh minus 11 lakh 30,000, you will get profit as a 70,000. So always you have to remember opening value of raw material, closing is given, it should be adjusted with direct material. Opening work in progress and closing work in progress should be adjusted after adding factory overheads. We have to add work opening and should deducted the closing. Finished goods should be adjusted after getting the cost of production, that is with the work cost after adding administrative overheads you will get cost of production. With that amount only we have to adjust the opening should be added finished goods, closing should be deducted of the finished goods. You will get the cost of goods sold. Thank you.